Hi everyone, welcome back to the Wealth Warrior. Today we're talking about something that's on everyone's mind, financial freedom. First off, let's define what financial freedom means. It's the ability to live the lifestyle you want without being held back by money. It's about being able to afford the things you want, without worrying about how you're going to pay for them. So, how do we achieve financial freedom? The first step is to create a budget. This means figuring out how much money you have coming in and going out each month. Once you have a handle on your spending, you can start to make changes to save more and spend less. One way to save more money is to set up automatic savings. This means having a certain amount of money automatically transferred from your checking account to your savings account every month. This is a great way to save without even thinking about it. Another way to achieve financial freedom is to invest. Investing your money can help it grow, and over time, it can lead to a lot more money than if you just kept it in a savings account. There are many different ways to invest, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. It's important to do your research and find the best option for you. It's also important to remember that achieving financial freedom is not a one-time thing. It's a lifelong journey that requires constant effort and attention. But with a budget, automatic savings, and smart investments, you can be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video on social media. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as legal or financial advice. Thanks for watching.